Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to my business communication lecturer Sir Muhammad Dzul Azzwan bin Muhammad Noor. Today I am Siti Azmira Binti Sukyat will act as a sales girl for a vehicle safety product. That's my target customer. Go. Hi miss. Can I have your time for a while?
Yeah, this is
Okay. My name is Siti Azmira. Actually, I'm a sales girl. I want to sell a product to you. Do you have any vehicles?
Yes, of course. I have a car.
Can you show me your car?
This is my car.
Oh, this is your car. Okay. Do your car have a safety product?
No, I don't think so.
Oh, okay. I imagine your first attempt to get your new car. You are willing to work overtime, you are willing to stop yourself, and the worst is you are willing to make loans from the bank, even that if you know the interest rate charge is very high. Okay, actually I have some interesting news that you might don't know. Car theft crime contributes about 40% to the country's overall crime index. Most cases is due to the lack of support of high technology security systems. Datuk Sri Khalid Abu Bakar also suggested the public to cooperate by improving their vehicle security. For the second news, carelessness of vehicle owner who do not apply the security guard aspect of their vehicle is a factor of missing vehicle. The number of cases increased by 611 from year 2011 to 2012. However, only 25% can be found back. How about the rest? Now, let's see a statistic from Polis Diraja Malaysia which is shown the number of missing vehicle. The statistic showed comparison of the crime index between January until February 2011 and January until February 2012. Even though car theft is reduced, but it still showed a great number of thefts. While motorcycle theft was increased from 2011 to 2012 by 1.2% and van and lorry theft increased dramatically from 2011 to 2012 by 11%. So, do you feel satisfied if your car lost easily?
No.
Are you sure? By making a report at police station,
Pause.
will be able to return your missing car? What happens if your car lost at the time your car payment not done yet? You are still need to pay even you have no car. Is this will be worthy? Ask yourself. You should be thankful for seeing me today. I would like to try to save millions of consumer vehicles. This is an anti-hijack system. Anti-hijack system is an electronic system fit to the motor vehicle to deter criminals from hijacking them. Although these types of systems are becoming more common on newer cars, they have not caused a decrease in insurance premiums as they are not as widely known about as other more common anti-theft systems such as alarms or steering locks. It can also be a part of an alarm or immobilizer system. An approved anti-hijacking system will achieve a safe, quick shutdown of the vehicle it is attached to. What is the anti-hijack alarm system? The anti-hijack alarm system is an extremely cost-effective security system developed in South Africa where carjacking is a major problem. It allows the thief to drive away in your car but guarantees he won't get far because it will quickly glide to a halt with the light flashing and siren blaring. How does it work? The alarm system becomes operational every time you begin to drive your car. One simple action tells your car that it is driving. Only you know what the action is. But if a thief gets into your car, lots of unpleasant things start to happen. After 30 seconds, he hears a short reminder bleep. Even if the thief now knows that the alarm system is fit, he does not know what action is required to disarm it. 2 further warnings will follow at 10-second interval. intervals. After 1 minute, the horn will begin to sound in attention-grabbing bursts. The engine will begin to lose power. The car will safely coast to a halt with the horn blaring and the light flashing. The thief will be forced to make a run for it. Now, stand back and have the last laugh. The police will advise you never to have a go. The alarm system allows you to stand back if somebody demands your key. But as dial the police, you can rest assured you will have the last laugh. We have all made mistakes and left the key in ignition at some time or other. We have all made mistakes and left the key in the ignition at some time or other. The alarm system will make sure you are not punished by both the thief and the insurance company if you ever forget again. The alarm system can be fitted on any car, irrespective of it already having an existing alarm or immobile system installed. Order one today, tomorrow may be too late. This is my card. You can contact me if you are interested with my product, Alarm System Anti-Hijack.
Thank you.
Thank you, Miss. See you.
Hey, I think I would like to buy. Hey, Miss.